welcome to Vimal's Curry Pot. Today I'm going to show you how to make French toast. If you like the video, share and subscribe for more videos. Let's check for the ingredients. Take a bowl, add 1 egg to it, add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, mix it well. Now to this mixture we'll add in 4 tablespoons of sugar. Beat this well till all the sugar dissolves. Now to this mixture we'll add in half a cup of milk and beat all this together. Now let's heat a pan. Add in 1 tablespoon of butter. When the pan is heated, take a slice of bread, dip it in the eggs mixture on both sides and fry it in the heated pan. Fry it for a minute on each side. When it turns golden brown, you can take it out. Check if it's golden brown. Toast it on both sides very well till you get a good texture. This is a very easy dish for a morning breakfast or for an evening snack. This will be a very tasty dish for the children. Kids love this sweet dish very much. It's done. Now we'll remove it from the pan. Look at the color. It's so golden and brown. Now let's repeat the process. The French toast is ready to serve. We'll serve this with the powdered sugar for added flavor. Thank you for watching.